Every shift, you want to make $25 an hour driving for DoorDash on every shift in 2026. I'll tell you, it's not going to happen. Let's be realistic, and I'll always be realistic with you here on the channel. I'm in a good marketplace that gets a lot of bonus pay, and here's some of my recent shift hourly earnings here. I'll leave some of these linked down below. It's quite good, but to say every single shift, probably not going to happen. But if you watch this entire video, I would follow these best practices to at least maximize the chances and getting as many shifts as possible, as close as possible as I can to this magic number. So this is all updated for 2026. So I want to start with something that a lot of Dashers are getting right now. It's flash offers. Yep. Probably have this. I don't know. Check your preferences, go into your account settings thing, click on preferences, and it's there. A lot of marketplaces, including Pittsburgh, just got flash offers. Number one, turn it on. So it'll send you prospective offers when you're offline. So you set your availability. Number two, do that. Set your availability. Okay, I could dash, but like, why go out there and start and then just be online waiting? DoorDash is going to be like looking for offers. If they find a good one, hopefully with some extra flash boost bonus pay, they'll send it to you. Of course, that's when you're offline. So let's talk about some strategies when you're online. On-time rates. It's a new metric. Also, quality rates. That measures the percent of deliveries that you don't have a minor or major issue. That's not broken though, at least maybe not as much. On-time rate, it is broken right now, at least at the time of filming this. So I would not really sweat on-time rate. I know it's a pain, but I would not rush like crazy to satisfy on-time rates. Right now, at the time of filming this, I'm hoping early 2026, mid 2026, this is fixed. But right now, don't change your strategy. I always go A to B. And if you go A to B, which is what you should be doing anyway, don't change anything. Don't speed. Don't go through red lights and stuff. They gotta fix on-time rates, not you. How does that relate to your earnings? I mean, one ticket, one accident, there goes all your earnings for days or weeks there. Don't do it. Just drive, follow the rest of these best practices. Next, experiment with DashLink. I really like DashLink. It was a little glitchy when it first started. They're going to fix that. DashLink, better than Amazon Flex in my opinion. I've basically done all of these gig apps for 10 years now. Consider subscribing. Download our new iOS tool ShiftMate for you to track your income. Follow the best practices. That's shiftmateapp.com. Because with DashLink, you can see the routes. It's routed delivery. Go to a warehouse, pick up a bunch of packages ahead of time, and then you deliver. I kind of really like that predictability. You can see where you're going, unlike Amazon Flex. You can see how much you're making exactly. Not eligible for tips at the time of filming this video, but still, it should be fine if it's paying enough. So think about that. If DashLink pays enough, more so than the kind of variability, the, volatility of standard dashing, earn per offer, especially because I don't know how much I'm gonna make. I can set a route 2-3+ hours and know exactly what I'm gonna make. Other apps, Uber Eats, Grubhub, they don't have that. Next, no one really thinks about this. Maybe let me know in the comments which one of these you do. You do one of these. You may not even know it, but you definitely do one of these. Is your marketplace better with the margin strategy or the volume strategy? The two strategies that I teach you here in the gig economy. Margin, AKA cherry picking. Is it better to select carefully and do less offers per hour, but they're higher dollar amounts to get our channel goal, $20 to $25 plus per hour? So I only need to do 2-3 deliveries. Margin, cherry picking. Or Is your marketplace, like, do you have to do the volume strategy, the inverse? So more assignments, orders, rides, deliveries, whatever it is, any niche, more of those per hour, but they're a lesser dollar amounts. And that also adds up to $20 to $25 plus per hour. Because think about this, if you try the margin strategy and you don't get enough offers, enough order volume, you don't have enough choice, the offers that they do send through, they're not high enough in pay, it's not gonna work. Because congrats, you did 2 offers that were like $7.50 per offer, now you made $15 in the hour. Versus your marketplace, I'm trying to do 4 deliveries per hour, but I can't complete them because of traffic. And that's how your marketplace is. So you need to know which one works best for your city, day, time, traffic, bonus pay, all of that. And you can mix and match. I mean, one day you might have to do volume because it's not as like high paid. There's not bonus pay and vice versa. Another day might be better for margin. We've talked about DashLink routed. We've talked about standard dashing. There is earn per offer. There's earn by time. Do whatever, works best for you. But what about shopping though? As someone who traditionally, admittedly, I don't like shopping gigs. I don't like it on DoorDash. I don't like Shipped, Instacart. That's just for me though. If you're an ace in the grocery store, you know the layout, you can find the items, and you have to have some luck with all this as well. Let's be real here. You got to be lucky where a customer actually responds if you text them about an item substitution. That's also luck. Are items in stock? You might be a very good pro shopper. Because now with pro shopper status, you have to hit certain metrics. So there's that. But then shopping could pay up to 30% more. Now, if you're sitting there watching this video after you've tapped the subscribe button and the like button, even though it's kind of a pain, especially on TV, I see you on the TV, on the big screen. Hello. Very nice TV. And you're thinking, Mike, how do I know if shopping would be a good fit for my marketplace? Do this. Try all the niches by the way of shopping. What do I mean by that? Now there's more niches than ever to shop on. Maybe I can retry shopping. So again, follow here. All I do is help you make money in different side hustles. Grocery. Okay, there's a grocery run, 35 items, how long that's gonna take. Is it a 30 seconds per item, a minute per item to pull it? Do you know that grocery store, etc.? How long are the checkout lines? Consider that as well. Well, what about retail? That PetSmart seems pretty easy. Less aisles, but I'm not as familiar with the store. But it's less crowded and typically a smaller shopping list. Well, think about this. What is the smallest shopping list? And actually, again, maybe I'll do shop and deliver for this. Because this next offer type has the smallest shopping list, alcohol. Right? Alcohol has the shortest shopping list. It's typically 1, 2 items, maybe 5. Sure, maybe you're getting stuff for a party, but it's not typically convenience, CVS and stuff. And then it's certainly not grocery shopping. So if you get really good and maybe you specialize or at least look for, like I love the PetSmarts, I love the CVS, I love the alcohol runs, I just don't like the grocery stores, then you can add shop and deliver and just don't do the shop and deliver you don't want to do. So to summarize, what will give you the best chance to get as close as you can to $25 an hour? Because there's kind of a cap to this. You can only make certain amounts per hour on DoorDash. You're only gonna peak at what, 30, maybe 30-ish if it's on fire, a lot of tips and bonus pay. I just want you to hit 20 to 25. It's number 1, exploring the different earnings modes, knowing earn per offer, earn by time, which pays you the most, the opportunities. Okay, well, standard dashing. We talked about DashLink. Do you even have a DashLink? We talked about flash offers, new 2026 offline opportunities, shop and deliver, what types of shop and deliver. And then of course, there's the basics, right? The basics are always there. It's what days, what times, am I doing breakfast, lunch, dinner? We talked about that with like the catering stuff. Is it really the best time to be out there? I don't want you to waste your time going online with DoorDash if maybe rideshare or maybe the Instacart ships or maybe the catering apps is better for that day and time. Typically, it's Thursday to Sunday, dinner rush, like 4:30 p.m.-ish until 9 p.m.-ish. Again, it's going to vary by your marketplace. What's your market size? Are you in the middle of nowhere? Are you in a super rural area, suburban, metro? What's your delivery type? Are you using a moped, a car, like an e-bike or something? So how fast can you go? That's also going to go into your orders per hour if you're on like a moped versus a car. Parking, rural, right? This stuff isn't super hard, so let's not, overthink it. I've been doing these gig apps a long time. And then of course, just sprinkle in a good amount of luck. Well, what? 50% luck? I'll say, 50% luck, 50% skill. Isn't that a song lyric? You get the point. Follow the best practices. Follow what's new for 2026. Put in some luck. Boom. There's a dish to making the most money as a DoorDash Dasher in 2026.